Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will demonstrate the necessary settings you need to make to enable patients to place a test order via CloudLIMS Patient Portal. As a first step, navigate to the Application Settings module, switch to Form Configurations, and then select Patients from the drop-down menu. Press Patient Portal Preferences and toggle the Allow Patient to Order Tests bar to the right. To accept a test order automatically as soon as it is placed from the patient portal, toggle the Accept Test Orders Automatically bar to the right. Press Update to save the settings. Once you configure these settings, patients can place a test order from the patient portal with ease. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0